Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Domestic tourism gears up as international travel ban extended further. TAAI. Omicron risk remains very high, says WHO as COVID cases surge. Motosoft launch Incredible India's sub-brands at Dubai Expo next week. Goa to alter rules for entry into restaurants, parties amid Omicron threat. Thick snow blankets Darjeeling and Sikkim, set to spark tourism rush. J&K Directorate of Tourism notifies rates for various tourist services in state. Thanks for watching. TravServer, a state-of-the-art tours and travel management software helping travel business to grow with improved operations, strategy and sales.